Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Gala Games price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Gala Games chart, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has managed to get into the minimum retracement area, and we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown in a move that has now given us one more leg down within this red target area, and also completed the formation of that second wave. And that breakdown has also completed an ABC corrective structure, where we can term these as the wave A, then a wave B, then the wave C, giving us one more leg down within this red target area. And there are now high chances that we have bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a massive run up to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3 before we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also sketch out my target areas to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after bottoming out in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 2 of this Elliot wave structure right here in blue, we started an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and because of its impulsive nature, I also expected to see a 5 wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 3. And it is this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this wave 3 that are going to give me the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting here on the Gala Games chart. And zooming in, you can see that after bottoming out in the formation of this wave 2, we started this 5 wave structure to the upper side, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.05105 mark, and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upper side. Then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, fully maximizing our white target area in the formation of this wave 2, and having seen the low for that second wave, whatever we expected next was the start of this wave 3 to the upper side. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of this wave 3, I also expected to see another micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this wave 3, and you can see here on the charts we have now topped in the formation of that first wave of this white Elliot wave structure. We have also seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is a target area that we have now fully maximized. And right now we are seeing a reaction of that target area here on the Fibonacci's in what could be the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And if that is the case, and assuming that Gala Games is not going to give us one more leg down in the formation of this wave 2, we can sketch out a target area in the formation of that wave 3 using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. And that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.04963 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Gala Games to do here on the short-term scenarios in the formation of that wave 3. And for us to get confirmations that we are back in the formation of that wave 3, I need to see a break above the wave 1 high. So in case we continue gearing up, watch for a break above the wave 1 high, which lies at around the $0.4267 mark. And the moment we manage to break above that, then watch for a break above our key resistance zone at around the $0.04336 mark. And the moment we manage to break above that, then watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up to fully maximize our target area. And that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios here on the Gala Games chart. So continue watching the area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, because as long as we are holding within that target area, there are high chances that you are going to start gearing up in the formation of that wave 3. See a break above the first wave, which is the first confirmation that you are back in the formation of that wave 3. Then watch out for a break above our resistance zone at around the $0.04336 mark, and also watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 43 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, though we are seeing a bit of a decrease in the selling momentum, suggesting that soon we are going to print a bullish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.